Hey, I'm making this video so you can hear this hissing sound that I get when I record using the YouTube app trying to record a short. I have an iPhone 7 Plus and I have the latest iOS, which is 15.2, and my YouTube app is up to date as today, January something. So anyways, if you happen to know what the solution is, let me know. It doesn't happen when I record with my other camera, and it just happens with this one. So I cannot record shorts, I guess, or I could, but they sound the way you hear it. So that's it. If you know, let me know. Help me out.